Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to hide your gender on Instagram using the web version on your PC. Instagram has made a few updates recently, and if you're trying to keep your profile more private, this is one simple setting you can adjust in just a minute. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Instagram in your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on the main page, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your personal information and preferences. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Edit Profile. This is where all your basic profile details are stored, including your name, username, and gender. Scroll down until you see the gender section. Click on it, and you'll be given a few options. To hide your gender from your profile, simply select Prefer Not to Say. This option allows you to remove that information without affecting anything else on your account. After selecting it, make sure you click on Submit to save your changes. If you skip this step, your update won't be applied. And that's it. Your gender will no longer be displayed on your Instagram profile. This is a great way to maintain a bit more privacy, especially if you prefer to keep personal details limited. Instagram continues to update its settings, so it's always a good idea to check your profile options every now and then.